Next we consider the technological progress. In solar module. And also in other growth models. Now technological progress means inventions in the production process. Now what is a technical progress? A technological progress allows a producer to produce the same amount of output with either less capital stock or less labor force. So suppose Q is equal to F K L. Now the economy is producing 100 units of output with 10 units of capital and 8 units of labor. Now suppose there is a technical progress in the economy. So there is a change in technology, there is an improvement of technology in the economy. So in that case, if the producer can produce the same 100 units of output with less amount of capital and the same amount of labor, so then we can say that the technological progress is working in the production process. So therefore, suppose the producer is producing with 7 units of capital now and with the same 8 units of labor, but he is getting the same 100 units of output. So therefore, the technological progress has an impact on the production process. Now technological progress can be labor saving, technological progress can be capital saving also. So if the producer can produce the same amount of output with the less amount of labor, then that technological progress is called the labor saving technological progress. And if the producer can produce the same amount of output with a less amount of capital, then that technological progress is called capital saving technological progress. Now technological progress can be of 3 types: Hicks neutral technological progress, Harrod neutral technological progress, and Solow neutral technological progress. So first we are considering the Hicks neutral technological progress. Now according to Hicks, the technological progress is neutral if the ratio between the marginal productivities remain constant for a given capital labor ratio. So as per the Hicks neutral technological progress, MPL by MPK will remain constant for a particular K by L ratio. Now the production function can be written as Y is equal to TT to FKL. Now here this TT represents the technological progress with time, and this is a multiple of the original production function. So this is the form of Hicks neutral technological progress production function. So if the production function follows the Hicks neutral technological progress, then the production function will take the form like this. Next is the Harrod neutral technological progress. Now according to Harrod, a technological progress is neutral if the relative input shares remain unchanged for a given capital output ratio. So relative input shares can be written as K into MPK divided by L into MPL. Now this will remain constant if K by O remains constant. So this is constant for a given K by O ratio. And here the production function takes the form y is equal to F L into Tt, comma K. So here the technological factor Tt appears as a multiple of L in the production function. So this is a labor augmenting technological progress. So the technological progress here is labor augmenting in nature. So because this is increasing, this technological progress is increasing the effective labor force in the economy. So therefore this is labor augmenting technical progress. So suppose actual labor number of workers in the economy is 5. Now technological, if it can be multiplied by Tt, now this 5 is increased to 5 into Tt. So therefore effectively the labor force is increasing. So therefore this is labor augmenting technological progress. And the third type of technological progress is solo neutral technological progress. Here the shares of the relative input shares will remain constant for a given L by O ratio. So here we can write that L into MPL by K into MPK remains constant for a given L by O ratio. So this is constant for a given L by O ratio. So now here the production function can be written as y is equal to F L comma Tt into K. So here the technological factor Tt appears as a multiple of K in the production function. So this is a capital augmenting technical progress. So Harrod's solo neutral technical progress is a capital augmenting technical progress. Capital augmenting technical progress.